owner and founder of RouteBoss. This is the AI operating system for pool service businesses. We're going to start out on the owner dashboard. You're going to have everything you need here on one screen, one dashboard. When you log in each and every day, both from your web version or your mobile version, you're going to get the same experience. First, we're going to go into our multi-location feature. So this is very important for those locations or those operations out there that have multiple offices and multiple locations like Goldsboro, Greenville, Wilson, for example. Each one is going to have their own dashboard showing things like your active customers, how many pools do you have this week, what's your average efficiency, how many technicians are in operation, what's our weekly revenue, and so on. Next, we're going to go into our route optimization. For this example, we're going to look at Sarah Lopez's route for today, November 28th. She currently has 3 pending stops set up, already included into her route for the day. However, once we actually click route optimization as a feature inside the platform, all 3 of her routes are going to be optimized for the most efficiency, save the most time and miles, essentially driving those fuel costs down, ensuring that Sarah is the most efficient and your operations are streamlined across each and every location. Next, let's go into the customer view and see what each customer profile looks like. Once you open up your customer profile, you're going to get pretty much any and every detail that you need. You're going to have the pool details for that customer. You're going to have their service history. You're going to have any kind of chemical trends. And then one of the things that really makes RouteBoss stand out is our suggest next visit feature. This takes into consideration what's gone on at that customer, how have they acted in the past, what's their chemical trends, and then suggest, and you can always apply this schedule if desired. Next, we're going to look at some of the AI insights that we also have built into the functionality here at RouteBoss. So you've got an entire business intelligence section, but also in the chemical calculator, this is a really nice feature for your technicians that are out in the field. Simply enter the pool size. Generally, that's going to come up on the customer profile, but if they need to manually enter, it certainly can. What's the chlorine levels? What's the pH, alkalinity, stabilizer, and so on? And then all of a sudden, we can calculate the dosage, and the system will give the recommended amount of volume for each of those, as you can see here. Suggested 2.5 gallons of liquid chlorine, 1.75 quarts of muriatic acid, and so on. Same thing from a problem diagnoser perspective. If your technician is out in the field and we've got, let's just say we've got a white film buildup on the side of the pool, and we're just not sure how to get rid of it. It's been, the customer told us it's been here for a couple of weeks. They've tried different things. Let's put it into the system, and all of a sudden, it's going to diagnose the problem for us, giving us an idea that there's a high likelihood that it's algae growth. What we can do to rectify that. Maybe it's calcium scaling, pool filtration, etc. Also gives your technician the estimated time to fix and the estimated cost for the end customer. Today was a very quick demo. Wanted to show you many things that are highlighted in the RouteBoss functionality of our platform. But if you have any questions, if you want to take the product for a ride yourself in a demo version, reach out to us. Best way is going to go to therouteboss.com, do an inquiry form. It'll come straight to us. We'll reach out to you immediately and get things set up. Thanks again. Look forward to talking to you soon.